These are the only 4 power tool brands still worth your money in 2026, while everything else on the market has become overpriced junk that breaks when you need it most. After analyzing revenue data, trust rankings, and real-world performance from professionals across every trade, the verdict is clear. Milwaukee, DeWalt, Makita, and Bosch have separated themselves from a field of pretenders who cut corners where it matters most. Let me show you exactly why these 4 brands dominate, and why that bargain tool sitting on the hardware store shelf will cost you more in the long run than you ever imagined. The numbers tell the story before we even get to performance. Milwaukee Tool hit $10.7 billion in revenue in 2025. Growing at over 11% year over year. That's not just impressive. That's Fortune 500 territory for a tool company. DeWalt's parent company, Stanley Black & Decker, pulled in $15.4 billion, while Bosch generated a staggering 90.5 billion euros globally. Makita, though smaller, commands 12% of the entire global power tool market with projections to hit 15% by 2025. These aren't just big companies. They're companies that got big because their tools work when everything else fails. But here's what those revenue numbers really mean. When Milwaukee spends money on research and development, they're investing hundreds of millions. When a knockoff brand spends money on research and development, they're photocopying Milwaukee's homework and hoping nobody notices the difference until after you've bought their tool. The quality gap isn't subtle anymore. A professional contractor recently explained it perfectly. Same housing, same shape, different copper wire grade, different gearbox hardness, different cooling channel size. One lasts 3 years, one lasts 3 months. That difference comes down to testing. Brands that test harder fail less. Brands that test less fail more. It's that simple. Take Milwaukee's legendary reputation for raw power. When professionals need torque that won't quit, Milwaukee steps forward with motors that behave like they're built for people who don't have time for excuses. Their M18 fuel line represents the cutting edge of brushless motor technology, delivering power that would have required a corded tool just a few years ago. But Milwaukee's dominance isn't just about brute force. It's about understanding what professionals actually need. Plumbers don't need pretty tools. They need tools that work in tight spaces covered in pipe compound. Electricians don't need lightweight tools. They need tools that can drill through anything without losing speed. Milwaukee engineers these tools for reality, not marketing brochures. DeWalt earned its reputation differently. While Milwaukee chases power, DeWalt chases indestructibility. For the 4th consecutive year, DeWalt topped America's most trusted power tool brand survey, scoring a net trust quotient of 120.2 from over 6,800 professionals surveyed. That guaranteed tough slogan isn't marketing. It's a promise backed by decades of job site abuse. DeWalt tools get dropped from scaffolding, buried in concrete dust, and left in the rain. They keep working. Their 20V Max platform and revolutionary FlexVolt battery system deliver consistent power. Whether you're driving screws or cutting through steel, when contractors invest in DeWalt, they're buying tools they won't have to replace next year. Makita approaches excellence from a completely different angle. Where Milwaukee delivers power and DeWalt delivers durability, Makita delivers precision. They pioneered rechargeable power tools back in 1969 with their 6500D battery-powered drill, the first cordless tool available to the public. Their 2005 introduction of the LXT lithium-ion platform revolutionized what cordless tools could accomplish. Today, Makita tools are the choice of craftsmen who demand control. Their vibration-dampening technology is unmatched in the industry. When a Finnish carpenter needs to drive hundreds of screws without fatigue, when a cabinet maker needs consistent depth control, when precision matters more than raw aggression, professionals choose Makita. What sets Makita apart is independence. Unlike every other major tool brand, Makita doesn't belong to a larger corporation trying to maximize shareholder value across multiple product lines. They focus exclusively on professional-grade power tools. That singular focus shows in every detail, from ergonomic design to the reliability of their global manufacturing operations across 8 countries. Bosch rounds out the Elite Four with over 135 years of German engineering excellence. When professionals need tools for precision work, drilling, detailed woodworking, tasks requiring stable electronics and advanced safety features, Bosch delivers solutions others can't match. Their Blue Professional line maintains the exacting standards you'd expect from a company that also builds automotive components and industrial machinery. Bosch tools reflect a different philosophy: engineering first, marketing second. Their investment in safety technology and precision control systems comes from decades of industrial experience. When accuracy matters more than speed, when consistent performance outweighs maximum power, Bosch provides the answer. Now let's talk about why everything else fails the professional test. The tool market in 2025 is flooded with brands that look professional but perform like toys. These companies take shortcuts you can't see until it's too late. They use lower-grade copper wire in their motors, softer metals in their gearboxes, and inadequate cooling systems that cause tools to overheat under real workloads. A $99 tool that lasts 3 months is expensive. A $250 tool that lasts 5 years is cheap. Professionals understand this math. Beginners don't, until they learn it the hard way, usually in the middle of a critical project when their bargain tool dies and the job stops. The difference isn't always obvious at the point of sale. Budget tools often look similar to professional tools, sometimes deliberately so. But the internal components tell the real story. Professional-grade tools use higher-grade materials, more precise manufacturing tolerances, and extensive testing protocols that budget brands simply can't afford. Consider battery technology, where the performance gap is most obvious. The Big Four invest heavily in lithium-ion cell development, battery management systems, and charging technology. Milwaukee's M18 system, DeWalt's PowerStack technology, Makita's LXT platform, and Bosch's advanced battery systems represent millions of dollars in research and development. Budget brands buy generic battery cells from whoever offers the lowest price, then wonder why their tools lose power after 6 months of use. Professional tools maintain consistent performance throughout their battery's lifespan because they're engineered as complete systems, not assembled from whatever components cost least. The innovation gap keeps widening. In 2025, Milwaukee introduced world-first designs like the M18 Fuel Roll Groover and M18 Fuel Steel Pipe Cutter, both Pro Tool Innovation Award winners. DeWalt continues advancing their FlexVolt technology. Makita expands their 40V Max XGT platform. Bosch refines their precision-focused professional line. Meanwhile, budget brands focus on cosmetic changes and cheaper manufacturing. They're not investing in breakthrough technology because they're competing on price, not performance. For DIY enthusiasts and homeowners, there's one honorable mention worth considering: Ryobi. While not built for daily professional abuse, Ryobi's 1+18V system offers exceptional value for weekend warriors. Their platform compatibility: one battery works with over 300 tools, maintaining backward compatibility since 1996, provides genuine convenience for occasional users. But here's the crucial distinction. Ryobi succeeds because they're honest about their target market. They build reliable tools for homeowners who use them occasionally, not professionals who depend on them daily. They don't pretend to compete with Milwaukee's power or DeWalt's durability. They offer something different at an appropriate price point. The lesson is simple. In 2025, quality still matters more than price. Professional contractors are abandoning low-cost tools that crumble under real use. The Big Four earned their positions through decades of proven performance, not marketing campaigns or promotional pricing. When your livelihood depends on your tools working every single day, you choose Milwaukee, DeWalt, Makita, or Bosch. When you need tools that perform like they cost twice as much, you choose from these 4 brands. Everything else is a gamble you can't afford to lose. The market has spoken, professionals have decided, and the numbers confirm what job sites prove daily. These 4 brands represent the only power tools still worth buying in 2025.